As part of the community's financial team, you must fully understand the operations of the team and perform the required duties of the assessor, while maintaining thorough and well-organized records. These duties include mass appraisal. Mass appraisal is defined as the use of standardized procedures for collecting data and appraising property to ensure that all properties within a municipality are valued uniformly and equitably. Before covering the overall mass appraisal process, let's learn about some common terms used when discussing mass appraisal procedures and techniques. As an assessor, you are responsible for discovering, listing, and valuing all taxable property and exempt property. This will include both real and personal property. In addition to setting values annually, the assessors collect all new growth, handle all the abatements and exemptions, administer and oversee excise taxes, prepare the tax allocation numbers for the tax rate settings process, and commit the assessed taxes to the tax collector. DOR schedules and conducts a comprehensive review of all property data for all property classes, now every 5 years. This historically took place every 3 years, but was amended with the Municipal Modernization Act in 2016. For those years between each certification, you are still expected and required to review, document, and update all values. Massachusetts general laws dictate that assessments be based on full and fair cash value as of January 1st. What is fair cash value? It's the price that a willing buyer and seller mutually agree on, while the property was exposed to the open market and has no special circumstances involved. It's important to know that each party was well informed and working in their own best interest. Another way to reference fair cash value is market value. One of the assessor's main objectives is to define what is market value, and, by using the most current sales data available, to develop newer values using acceptable mass appraisal methodology. In order to analyze all this data, the assessors must have a comprehensive database. An exact snapshot of each property must be recorded at the time of its sale to ensure the quality of data, and will help to determine how accurate the values are. You are solely responsible for determining which sales are considered market value and which are not. It is critical that you research each sale and assess properties based on full and fair cash value on the same January 1st date. Each fiscal year, all assessments of properties are based on full and fair cash value as of January 1st. To recap, your main objectives are to define what is taxable, what is market value, and by using the most current sales data to develop the most up-to-date values using mass appraisal methodologies. Each account and parcel is based on fair cash value on the same January 1st date. Once market value is determined, you will use acceptable mass appraisal methodology to confirm that the property was valued uniformly and equitably. This can be achieved by accessing a comprehensive assessing database, your needs, and DOR requirements. Unlike a single-family home appraisal, a comprehensive mass appraisal system values entire classes of properties at the same time by using the most common data while keeping within acceptable assessing standards and requirements. Assessors rely on their computer-assisted mass appraisal system, or CAMA. You must learn about the components needed to use CAMA and make sure it has the capability to apply changes. This system should be updated annually with all data that affects values, namely all sales, land schedules, building cost tables, depreciation tables, building permit updates, any special adjustments added that will affect value, and when the parcel was inspected. Note, valuation systems like CAMA must have the capability of implementing and identifying any market changes or conditions instantly. Now, answer the following questions to check your knowledge. As discussed earlier, it is critical that the assessors research and document each sale and assess properties based on full and fair cash value on the same January 1st date. To accomplish this, all property attributes need to be fully identified at the time of sale because all the data will be based on this particular sales date. Assessors need this information to determine which sales are or are not representing 100% market value. Therefore, every sale should be reviewed and investigated if need be.